Electrodes for corrosion measurement. All corrosion is an electrochemical process of oxidation and reduction reactions. As corrosion occurs, electrons are released by the metal via oxidation. Corrosion reaction can be measured and controlled electronically due to the electrons and current flow. A polarization cell is a setup consisting of an electrolyte solution, a working electrode, a reference electrode, and a counter electrode. Advantages of the 3-electrode cell over the 2-electrode setup are its ability to provide better control over the electrochemical measurement, can study specific reactions accurately, and minimize the ohmic drop. The working electrode is where the reaction happens and the corrosion specimen that we want to investigate. It is generally made of a noble metal, glassy carbon or any conductive material. One of the example of working electrode is rotating disc electrodes. The electrode includes a conductive disc embedded in an inert nonconductive polymer or resin that can be attached to an electric motor, that has very fine control of the electrode's rotation rate. Working electrode also can be prepared in other structures as shown. Next, the electrode surface needs to undergo cleaning and polishing as the reaction of interest occurs at the working electrode surface. We can clean and pre-treat the electrode by rinsing it with deionized water or methanol. Stubborn debris or organic particulates require hand polishing with a diamond or alumina suspension applied to a microcloth or polishing pad. Reference electrode contains half reaction to set up voltage versus working electrode. It should have constant electrochemical potential as long as no current flows through it. These are some examples of common reference electrodes and their standard potential. A common reference electrode is the silver-silver chloride electrode, where a silver wire is coated with a film of silver chloride. This wire is then immersed in a solution saturated with potassium chloride and silver chloride. Other examples of reference electrode setup are as shown in the diagram. To minimize ohmic resistance interference, Luggin capillary is used. A Luggin capillary is a glass body. Reference electrode is entered into one end, and the other end is close to the working electrode. It provides an ionically conducting path without diffusion between working electrode and reference electrode. Counter electrodes are highly inert, conductive metal electrodes used to counter the electrochemistry taking place at the working electrode, and provide a source or sink of electrons in the cell. Example of inert conductors are nickel, gold, platinum or graphite. Thank you for watching.